Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to use one of the new features that was recently added to Movavi, and that's motion tracking. Now, motion tracking just means that you are tracking the movement of an object within a piece of footage and then linking it to another object. And in this case, the objects that you can link it to are stickers and titles. Now let's get started by dragging in a clip from our media bin into our timeline. Let's go up here to the top left where you'll find your stickers and titles. Now we're just going to choose one and then drag it down into our timeline, placing it above our video clip. Then I would like the sticker to be as long as my clip, so I will just grab the end of my sticker and pull it all the way to the end. Okay. So the next step is going to be double-clicking your sticker. Now that will pop up this menu in the top left where you will have two options: Clip, which controls the sticker, and Motion, which is where we will be doing the tracking. Now we will start with the Motion first. So when you click on Motion, a box is going to pop up over here in your preview window. And what you're going to do with this box is place it over the object that you would like to track. Now you can make the box as big or as small as you would like. Now I would like to track my hand, so that's where I'm going to place it. When you're done with that, you have two options here: precise or quick tracking. Now let's try quick first to see how well that works. Then we're just going to click track, and there you go. Then the next step will be placing the sticker where you want. Now I would like to place the sticker in my hand, and so when you're ready, you can just press play right here below the preview window or by pressing the space bar. Alright, so that did not work very well. So we are going to double click our sticker down here in the timeline again. We're going to click Motion and then Reset. Now that will just undo the tracking that we just did. And this time, let's try Precise. Now we'll just redo all of this real quick. Click Track and then Play. And there we go.